I'm Sathvik Iyengar. I'm a PhD student in the Materials Science and Nanoengineering department. I come from India, a city called Bangalore. I was really drawn to RISE primarily because of their interdisciplinary research and how it's a very close-knit community. We have a very tight group of faculty and students, and people get to know each other to a very close and deep level. My recent research on a material called graphene, which is a portmanteau of glass and graphene. We synthesized an atomically thin version of glass, which is insulating in nature, and graphene, which is semi-metallic or metallic. And what we found out is if you synthesize them together in a single step, they hybridize with each other and they form a unique structure. We end up with a semiconductor, and this opens doors for new ways to create semiconductors. The creation of graphene was not just something that involved intense scientific research, but more so the intense amount of collaborations we were able to strike and go forward with. We reached out to collaborators in India, in Brazil, in the United States, as well as the United Kingdom to make this idea come to fruition. And working with researchers and professors hands-on across these countries really brought the idea together, and that would have not been possible if we're operating just out of one lab. One of the most hallmark experiences of RISE has been this very close interaction between faculty and student to student. When you go to an institute that's much larger than RISE, a lot of these interactions tend to drown in the numbers. And what I noticed is I was able to just socialize very directly with faculty, just as they would be my friends. Since you get to do that, I think this is a great ecosystem to form these kind of bonds that would not just last throughout your degree program, but transcend beyond throughout your career in the future.